Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Miss Mo's Confessions. I am Miss Mo. Today is a really exciting day because my FacNakd package finally arrived. Okay, I was halfway about to open it up, but I'm like, let me save it for y'all because we're both going to unbox these products together. We're going to also talk about the products and what they do, my first impressions. If you love self-care, beauty, healing, wellness, and authentic content, make sure you subscribe because this is just the beginning of the series, okay? We're going to be having 5 more videos, specifically just on FacNakd products and how to use them and how the transformation is real. There's plenty of testimonies of how this product has changed the wellness, the skin wellness, as well as confidence of women and men all over the world. So let's do it, y'all. Okay, I'm so proud to be an affiliate of Neat. Neat is such a great person. I've been following her for years, and when she launched this product, I'm completely supporting her and backing her. And when I seen the results that she showed through her own skin and others that she worked with, I was thrilled. I had to work with her. So I was chosen to be an affiliate and to market as well as to just demonstrate the product. Okay, teach and to basically present the product, use it on myself, and just transform. So if you are into transforming and upgrading your life, glowing up, this is the brand that you want to work with for sure. Skincare is my deal, y'all. It is my thing, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. I am currently on a wellness journey, okay? I'm already a wellness coach as well as a self-care coach and a sober companion. I am skilled in lots of other things, and I have lots of other whimsical hobbies that I enjoy as a human. And y'all, this is just right up my alley. Okay, so I'm looking at the box already, guys. Look at this. It has the pink fluff stuff in it, the foam. I love that. It's pink foam, guys. Wow, pink foam. So cute. I love it. Uh, okay, so I'm going to present each product. So the first product I have here is the Glow Mask Brightening Bar. Okay, this is made of turmeric. Glow Mask Brightening Bar. Okay. This is turmeric, kojic acid, alpha, arbutin, abertin, and vitamin C. Okay. This powerful treatment bar is not to be used at the same time as your clear skin bar unless used as a double cleanser. Okay, so that's what I was planning on doing. I was planning on doing double cleansing. Okay. um let's go deeper. Okay, this particular bar, the Glow Up Mask Bar, this bar treats dark marks, hyperpigmentation, dark under eye, acne scars, which is something I've been battling with for a little while now, guys. Okay, right now I have makeup on. Okay, I have a little bit of foundation I still have left. I've not washed my face. But if you know me, then you know. If you follow my channel, you would know that I do have acne scars from eating too much sugar. When I overdo it on sugar, guys, I have acne outbreaks. Heavy, okay? And it takes a lot for me to recover from the scars, all right? Dark V lines, armpits, okay? Dark armpits. It also helps with the inner thighs, okay? can also be used as a double cleanser. It smells so good. It smells like turmeric, guys. You should only use this about 3-4 times a week. Okay. Yeah. And you also want to use the other moisturizers to go with this. Okay. So that's what I'll be doing. I will be using this product. I'm really excited about this. I may cut this up in squares, guys. I'm definitely going to be cutting this up so I won't use the entire bar. I'm going to cut it up in sections so it can last a little longer. I'm going to be using this every other day. Okay. Maybe every 2 days using this particular bar. So I will cut this up smaller to preserve it. Let's see. Next item. This is the Raw African Black Soap. Okay. This is made out of coca pod ash, plantain skin, and shea butter, and coconut oil, guys. This is to reset your skin with raw African black soap. Y'all, when I used black soap back in the day, I remember like a couple years ago when I first started my recovery, about the first 2 years of my recovery, I was using black soap, and I forgot it does help remove dark spots as well. I forgot all about that, okay? And it got my skin was so beautiful. It was glowing, just a beautiful glow to my skin. It's a deep cleanser from top to bottom. So this is a full body antibacterial, antifungal soap. This could be used for the face. Oh, it's broken up. Oh, whoa, look at that. Okay, we use for the face and the body. So I would use this in the shower. I would just do my whole body, face, from top to bottom, guys. Probably, of course, cut this as well. Excuse me. I will cut this in half as well. Oh, wow. It is so tender. Oh, it's strong. This is some real deal stuff, y'all. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, it's crumbling like cookies. Like a cookie, y'all. Okay. It's like a African black soap chocolate chip peanut butter cookie. I don't know. Don't start with me, y'all. But otherwise, it fades the dark spots. It calms irritation and helps prevent breakouts for a balanced, glowing complexion. I think this would prevent me from having the acne coming back over and over and over again. Okay. Wow, these crumbs itself I'm going to be using. Wow. Okay. Now I don't know. It's just so tender. It's soft, very soft. I don't want to tamper with it any more than what I need to. I think I'm just going to go ahead and rebox up the whole pieces. Wow. And use the crumbs, y'all. Nice. Okay. Next product. Next we have the Rose Hydro. Rose Hydro is made of grapeseed oil, pomegranate seed oil, neroli, pumpkin, and marula seed oil. Prevents blackheads. It also fades hyperpigmentation with rose glow. Okay, this is like a serum right here. This is after cleansing. Okay. This is perfect for all skin types. And I mean, really, I got this because I wanted to nourish my skin. I wanted to bring it back to life. I wanted to rehydrate my skin after cleansing it. And also it helps remove it fades the hyperpigmentation. That's what I've been dealing with. Okay. And so definitely will be using this on my face and my neck. Yeah, so I'm really excited about that. And I think I have a few more items in here. Let's see. This is the Naked Gold Glassy Golden Glow Moisturizer. The glow, it glows your skin. It gives you that rich golden moisturizing look. Okay, it is made out of turmeric, vitamin B3, olive oil, vitamin E, um, aloe vera, leaf juice, neem seed oil, rosemary, leaf abstract, and I think a few other things here. But vitamin E as well. Did I say that? Yeah. And this is so beautiful, guys. Okay, if you were to see this in person, you'd be like, oh my God. This is pretty. Yeah. Oh, it smells good too. Very nice. Yeah, this right here is packed with nutrients. It basically regenerates your skin. It plumps your skin. It just looks like you've been drinking your water and minding your business. Like, you don't even need makeup. When you use enough of this, from what I've seen, all the reviews, and I'm looking at Neek's skin, this is her favorite product. This is one of her favorite products, besides the cleansing, the glow up cleansing bar. Okay. So this is going to be basically, I think this may end up being my favorite as well. I can feel it already. Okay. We got one more, and let's check it out. Last but not least, we do have the Blueberry Aloe Mask. Blueberry Aloe Mask, guys. Okay. I'm a mask person. I love masks. I love anything I can put on my face, let it dry, peel it off. That is my thing. Okay. This is a leave-on mask. I love anything leave-on. This is my deal, y'all. I like to sleep with it. Maybe walk around the house all morning with it, or maybe just doing hair, doing regular household chores in a mask. That just makes me feel really good. Okay. This right here will quench your skin. It's called the Berry Naked Leave On Mask. Okay. It hydrates and treats your skin. It's packed with antioxidant rich berries, blueberries to be exact. It calms irritated skin. It removes dark marks, boosts your natural glow, and lightweight formula. It sinks deep into your pores without clogging your pores. Okay, this is perfect for sensitive, dry, or even combination skin. I think I have the combination skin. 1 minute I'm moist, 1 minute I'm super duper oily, next minute I'm dry. Okay, it depends on, like, I don't know, through the day it changes. Okay. It leaves you soft, leaves your skin soft. No rinse is needed. All you have to do is put it on and move along. Okay, I love it, and it's pretty simple how to use it. I'm gonna show y'all later how to use each product. Okay, on the next video you would see me using each and every product that you see so far. Okay, so let's go ahead and break it down. I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do in the order, okay, of these products. So far, these are all the products here. Okay, there's 5 items. This was my plan. My plan was to do a full body wash from head to toe, face to toe, with the black soap, antibacterial, raw African black soap. Okay, period. Then I would do a double cleanse with this glow mask brightening bar for only my face, of course. Cut this up in smaller pieces so that I can preserve it, so then I can really kind of get deep into using it. You know what I mean? I don't want to waste this soap. I think this is very potent, and it's worth preserving. Then it depends on the time of the day. So if I'm doing this in the evening, I would use my mask, okay, overnight. If I'm doing this cleansing in the morning, on my way getting up, getting ready to go do my thing, starting my day off, on my way to work, I will definitely use the serum and then the moisturizer after the cleansing. Okay, so I would only use this mask at night or overnight. Okay, that's how I would do this. The glow up bar, I probably would not use this every day. Once again, they did say on the website, if you want to go ahead and click the link, make sure you click the link in the bio, guys. Okay, because that's where you're going to have access to the website to order. There's also discounts that's available to you when you go ahead and click the link in the bio. Thank you so much. Once again, you get to see what's discounted, and then you get to see how to use each product. She made it very easy to understand exactly what to do and how to use each product. Okay, it's an amazing brand. This is only supposed to be used. The glow up bar is only supposed to be used three times a week. Okay. All right. The reason why I decided to put all these combinations together is because my goal is to be more confident in my skin to where I don't have to wear makeup anymore. And if I decide to wear makeup, cool. If I don't wear makeup, I still want to have a feeling that my skin is clear and beautiful, and it just makes me feel confident, and it makes me feel like I'm healing all those old scars from my past life, basically. Okay. I'm learning to take care of myself just like everybody else, y'all. Okay, I'm not the best when it comes down to skincare. I'm learning a new way that actually works for me specifically, rather than what I just see everybody else do, or what my mom did, or what my grandmother did. The food is different. The way life is, the air is different. So my skin is different, and I have to treat it like that. And I think these products is the best when it comes down to our skin. Okay, and I mean that as being a Black American woman. Okay, I think, or a Black American person. I think these products are specifically for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like it's personal to me because it's made for my skin type. And of course, all various other melanated people, you know. But I really believe in this product. I'm very stern on it. I'm going to be showing y'all how to use this on the next video, and y'all will see the transformation, the glow up. Okay? Stay tuned. Guys, thank y'all so much for rocking with me. Please make sure you subscribe, okay? If you want to learn more about me, click all the links in my bio. Please comment below which product you want me to try first. And don't forget to subscribe for more beauty, wellness, and healing content. Okay? Thank y'all so much. God bless you all. Enjoy yourself. Thank you. Bye-bye.